Oh my God, my dreams are coming true. What am I saying? That makes no sense. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be walking you through some of the products that all members can choose for their FabFitFun winter box. Let's get started. All right, first up we have the ILIA Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. This mascara is one of the best mascaras I've ever used. So this mascara features a dual-sided brush and it doesn't get clumpy because that super thin, long side of the brush is going to really separate and make everything look clean and glamorous and limitless, if you will. You know, I feel limitless when I'm spending the whole day working from home and I put a full face of makeup on anyway because I feel like it. And I just feel like being a superstar and showing my 9 Instagram followers the makeup that I did. This is also made with beeswax and shea butter, and that is for flexibility and hold. Next up, we have the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. So this palette features 12 shades, both mattes and shimmers. As you can see, you have 4 matte shades and 8 shimmers. Wow, quick math. All of these shades are very much in the neutral warm tone space, and because of that, they are just perfect for winter time. All of these shadows could be used together. You could use just a splash of one color. I know for me personally, whenever I see these kind of shimmery shades, I think about those really easy 5-minute eyeshadow looks where you just grab a shimmer, cover your eyelid with it, and call it a day. I love, love, love this palette. All right, so next up from Lele Sadoughi, we have the Maroon Velvet Headband. So excited to work with Lele Sadoughi again. She's an incredible jewelry and accessories designer. This is just the perfect winter accessory. This is a hand-knotted velvet headband and it has custom Lele Sadoughi lining, super luxe, super high quality. Sometimes when you wear headbands, the lining is really stiff and it kind of stabs you, but this is actually super comfortable to wear and you can tell it's gonna fit a lot of different head sizes. And this is speaking from the big head society, so you have my word. If this fits me, it'll fit you. So next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. This is just the ultimate one-step face wash. It's gonna remove your makeup, it's gonna clear your pores out, and it's ideal for combination to oily skin. To use this, you're just going to use some warm water, warm it up in your hands, and lather it onto your skin. This is incredible for getting out your sebum, decongesting your pores, all of those words you love to hear that make you feel like you're at a facial. It's also great for morning and night. So next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare POREDERMABRASION. This is a throwback product, so if you missed it last time, if it's time for a refresher, now's your chance. This one is ideal for combination to oily skin, but it's also great if you're just concerned about larger pores, anything like that. Let's try her out. Ooh, it feels like an exfoliator in that you can tell that it is scrubbing, but you don't have to push that hard. Like I feel like I'm doing very gentle strokes, so it's definitely not going to tear at my skin. This actually provides both physical and chemical exfoliation to help kind of bring your skin back to life. Typically you have to choose one or the other, but in this one, you get the satisfaction of the scrub, but then you also get the science of the chemicals. Wow, that was good. All right, guys, that is it for this category. If you're not already a FabFitFun member, make sure to sign up right now at fabfitfun.com so you can snag some of these amazing products, and I will see you next time. Bye. You know you love me. XOXO, Gossip Gina.